What's going on, y'all? Charles, Stevens Transport called me about 2 weeks ago and offered me a local position. It's still working with Stevens, just in a dedicated account. Now, plenty of reasons why I should leave OTR and go over to the local side and explore those opportunities. I could think of plenty of reasons, like this one, or this reason, or this reason, or this reason, or this reason, or this reason. So I'm gonna go and pick up this load and head back to Texas. I got a load picking up in Pennsylvania and it's going back to Texas right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this truck back so I can take this flight back to Maryland, start on my other journey doing Stevens Transport local. Good morning, everybody. I'm about an hour outside of Dallas. I couldn't make it all the way last night because I ran out of time. So yeah, what's happening right now is so I had my load that I was delivering to Lubbock, Texas. It was delivering on Sunday, so I got it down here. That was a load that was supposed to bring me back to the yard, but when I got down, probably maybe 3 to 4 hours out from Lubbock, Texas, I sent in a repower request because I was gonna stop 2.5 hours before Lubbock, Texas, and I was about to sit there over the weekend until Sunday. But I put in for a repower, and as soon as I put in for my repower request, for somebody to come take that load so I can go back to the Dallas yard, they literally hit me back right away and said, nah, just come to Dallas. So I'm going to Dallas. I still got the load that I bought down here from Pennsylvania. I'm just gonna take it into the yard, and then somebody's gonna repower it and take it to Lubbock. That way I can go in, turn my truck in, sign all the necessary paperwork, and then I could be the hell on my way. You know what I mean? Right now, as y'all can see, I got the truck cleaned out. Let me see. As y'all can see, I got the truck cleaned out. You know, everything is cleaned out. At this point, it's just, little stuff that I'm gonna throw away. But I can't throw away everything yet because I don't know if they're gonna have me on the yard waiting a day or so. Yeah, but I just wanted to keep y'all updated, keep y'all posted, and I'll hit y'all when I get there. All right, let's go. We're almost there. I'm in the safety lane now. As y'all can see. I'm in the safety lane. Gotta get my truck checked. And that'll be that. I'm gonna go inside and see what's next. Boy.